evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the S&P E-mini futures. Today is Wednesday, June 15th, 2011. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a regular basis. We are showing 9 trades for a potential profit of 8 ES ticks. The market gapped down this morning by over 10 points, leaving an island reversal. That being said, we had gapped up yesterday, gapped down this morning. That is a bearish sign. So we got a little bit of bearish sentiment over our shoulders. Market opened up around 1271.75. That's this white dotted line here. A lot of overnight sellers. We kind of expected a little bit of a pop in the morning, which is exactly what happened. Had a pullback. It hit an entry price for one of our trade setups. However, I don't believe anybody got filled, especially in our room. So we're going to call it a no fill. Then we had what's called an expanded option. Expanded option, we had an option to get long, only to get target 1 was off, to get stopped out to minus 2 ticks, then to continue on into our price objective. That being said, market continued. We kind of expected to be choppy today. This is the week of triple witching, so we were expecting quite a bit of chop. Volume had started out, I think within the first 5 minutes, we were already up over 500,000 trades. That being said, we knew we were going to have a higher volume than expected day. After this stop out of minus 2 ticks, we had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 6 ES ticks. And then we saw a bounce off of the open for an opportunity to get long. Target 1 was hit, and then we got stopped out for minus 2 ticks. Going into the no trade zone, we had an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 for a total of 10 ES ticks. That being said, I want you to notice how long this no trade zone is. This is abnormal. What ordinarily you'll see is a no trade zone from 11:30 in the morning until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. Each one of these bars has a certain number of trades in it. That being said, we could tell that there was some substantial volume going on over the no trade zone. Came down to our hourly range low, then dropped down to our Globex range low, and even blew through that. So we had some serious downside pressure. That being said, we were keeping most of our trades looking to the downside. The chop that was being expected, we had an inverted head and shoulders that developed. There's our shoulder, our head, our shoulder. However, we did recognize this in the chat room. Some traders were able to take advantage of it. Some people were not. Shoulder, head, shoulder. We take the distance from the head to the neckline, from the breakout to the target for a total of plus 8 ES ticks. Again, the parentheses means we're not counting it for the purposes of this video. During this time frame that we were looking at a head and shoulders pattern, you have to keep your trades identified to that specific trade setup. That being said, we did have an opportunity to get long in order to get a full stop out. We didn't hit our target 1 or target 2. It just happened to be entry after the target pattern of the head and shoulders was hit. So we've got to take that. I don't know how many people in the trade room actually took it. I know we were looking to get short, so taking any long positions anywhere in through here would have certainly been very risky. Shortly after taking the full stop out, we had an opportunity to get target 1 and target 2 for a total of 6 ES ticks. We didn't know what was going to happen to the right hand side, but we did expect quite a bit of chop. We had almost 3.5 hours of pure chop. We had another opportunity to get long. Target 1 went off, and we got stopped out for minus 2 ticks. Then we had an opportunity to get short, target 1 and target 2 for a total of 10 ES ticks. After the 10 ES ticks, we had a bounce up to the Globex range, which posed as resistance. An opportunity to get long, target 1, and then we got stopped out to a tick, because then it went on to our profit target. So it hit exactly to our stop out and continued on for our profit target. All in all, it was a very choppy day. We were fortunate to end up relatively flat. Had a total of 9 trades for a total of 8 ES ticks. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, such as the Shark Attack and the Wave Trade, or to get a copy of the trading manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you and have a great evening.